How to add a Visa gift card to Google Pay. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Visa gift card to Google Pay. It's a simple process, so let's get started. So first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Google Pay app in your mobile device. And if you don't have it, make sure to download it in your Google Play Store. In my case, I'm just going to show you in my PC. So once you're inside the app, you'll then be able to find an option that says Add Payment Method. Simply tap onto it. This is where you will manage your cards and payment option. So you want to go ahead and simply type in the payment method button to add a new card. Go ahead and select debit or credit card from the options and then type in the details of your Visa gift card, including your card number, expiration date, and also your CVC. Once done, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Save. After entering your card details, Google Pay will verify your card. You'll see the Visa gift card added to your payment method. And that's how you do it, guys. You can now use your Visa gift card for online purchases in store payments or within apps that accept Google Pay. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.